Here's a scenario. Let's say you're in the store. You meet someone that you'd like to get to know better. You agree to meet up, but you forgot to get their phone number because you were in a rush. You show up at the restaurant at the agreed upon time, but you don't know if your special person is there or not. You go to the hostess for help. How will you describe the person you're looking for? Their best identifier is going to be their name. However, names can easily be mixed up or forgotten. The same thing can happen with mRNA. Just adding or taking out one letter of a name, or base in mRNA, can result in you meeting up with the wrong person or ending up with the wrong protein. Let's take the name Stephen with the PH for example. If we remove just one letter from anywhere in the name, you immediately have names that are not Stephen. For example, this top one starts with a T if you take off the front S. If you tell someone you're looking for someone with the name that starts with an S versus a T, you could end up with completely different people. These two versions down here remove the PH, which has an F sound to it. So you're ending up with names like Stehen and Steppen, which are completely different. Let's look at an mRNA example. To do this, we first write out the given amino acids and their corresponding mRNA codons. Then, we can compare the two given strands. The first two amino acids only have one codon, and they line up. We can then see that the UU from phenylalanine has shifted over by one base pair when compared to isoleucine. An A has been inserted into the mRNA codon. Codons only consist of 3 bases, so the entire code shifts to the left or right depending on whether a base is added or deleted. Once you figure out what has changed, you just have to shift everything to figure out the exact codes for your normal and mutant strands. As a result of the change that has taken place in this example, the mutant protein has a stop codon, and stops short of the protein the normal strand will go on to produce through translation.